Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So today is 5th August. So first of all, the news analysis. Number 1, Ayodhya awaits Modi's launch of Ram Temple construction. It is not so much important. You can read it as a GS paper 1 culture or you can skip it. Trump bars H1B visa holders from federal jobs. This is from GS paper 2. Then this topic, China don't politicize normal cooperation, GS paper 2. Then this IRS officer Pradeep Singh tops UPSC exam. So you don't have to read from any GS paper point of view. As you all know, we are the civil servant aspirants. So this is the most important news for all of us. So then come to the editorial section. More of the same. This is from GS paper 2. Then the language of unity, GS paper 2. Rekindle Kashmir's lost and real connect. Then lesson from meditating Ayodhya. It is not so much important. You can read it or you can skip it. This is from GS paper 2. This is same violating human rights in Kashmir, GS paper 2. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh a year on. These 3 articles which already I have told you in the previous day newspaper was on the Kashmir issue of revocation of the 370. So today is same newspaper. So these 3 are the same article. Almost same. Then the meaning of Gandhi's silence. This is from GS paper 1, world history. That means the event of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. So then come to the, here is no article in this page today. Then this page same, people in valley now want article 370 back, PDP. Kashmir under curfew ahead of anniversary. So all these topics are for the article 370 because last year we have completed 1 year anniversary. So that's why it is in the news. And also this topic is important for the prelims 2020. Then come to these sections. Lockdown helped save lives, Health Ministry. Supreme Court reserves orders in lawyer case, GS paper 2. This is also from GS paper 2. Ahead of FATF meet India to highlight Pakistan's inactions, GS paper 2. Lessons from the DU experience, GS paper 2. Army to convince selection board for women personnel, GS paper 3. 24 million may drop out of the school due to the pandemic, UN, GS paper 2. Then come to this section. This is the world. China accuses US of bullying over TikTok, GS paper 2. Then here, business section. All the topic from the business section are come under the GS paper 3 economy. US order on federal hiring based on the misperceptions. Alcohol says hurting states. India looks to screen for recounted Chinese goods. So these are all are from GS paper 3 economy sections. And today the last page have no article to be read for the prelims or mains for the UPSC. So these are the almost all the topics which we have covered.